Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to report inappropriate content, spam, or even a suspicious profile on LinkedIn. Let's walk through the steps to make a report if you encounter any unwanted or harmful content. Firstly, find the specific post, message, or profile you want to report. LinkedIn allows you to report a variety of things, including the profile, post, comments, messages, and even groups. When you have located the content, look for the More icon that is usually represented by 3 dots and can be found next to the post. Tap or click it to open a menu with options. In the menu, select Report Post. Then you must click on the option saying Report Content for Review. You might see options like harassment, hate speech, spam, or inappropriate content. Choose the option that fits the reason for your report and click on Next. Once done, tap or click on Submit to send your report. And that's it. You have successfully reported content on LinkedIn. Reporting helps to maintain a safe and positive experience for all the LinkedIn users. If this guide was helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.